Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Slow Talk Mastery. I am your host, Emma, and I have my popcorn ready today.
And I am Mark. Hello, Emma. Popcorn? Are we going to the cinema today?
Almost, Mark. Today, we are talking about one of the most popular topics in the world, movies, or as they say in the UK, films.
Oh, I love this topic. Everyone has a favorite movie, and talking about them is a fantastic way to practice your English because it involves storytelling and emotions.
Exactly. Whether you like big action movies or sweet romantic comedies, we're going to give you the vocabulary to discuss them all.
This is a nice long episode today, so we can really dive deep into the genres and the phrases. But first, a quick reminder for our wonderful listeners.
Yes, if you enjoy our slow talk lessons, please subscribe to our channel. Your support means the world to us and helps us keep creating content.
And don't forget to hit that like button and share this video. It helps other English learners find us. Okay, Emma, let's start with the basics. If I want to know what kind of movie you like, what should I ask?
You can ask, what kind of movies do you like? Or what is your favorite genre?
Genre. That's a fancy word, isn't it? It just means the category or type of movie. Let's practice that pronunciation. Genre.
Perfect. Now let's list some common genres for our listeners. We have action, comedy, horror, and sci-fi.
Don't forget rom-coms. That stands for romantic comedy. They're usually very light and happy.
And then there are documentaries for when you want to learn something real, and thrillers for when you want to be on the edge of your seat.
I love thrillers. I like movies that are suspenseful.
Suspenseful. That's a great word. It means it keeps you waiting and wondering what will happen next. Mark, what about you? What's your favorite genre?
I'm a big fan of sci-fi. I love stories about space and the future. What about you, Emma?
I love a good drama. I like movies with a strong story and deep characters.
So, if we want to talk about the story, what's the most common question?
People will ask, what's it about? It's a simple question, but it's the most important one.
When someone asks, what's it about, they want to know the plot. The plot is the sequence of events in the movie.
Right, but be careful. When you describe the plot, don't give away the ending. We call that a spoiler.
Yes, nobody likes a spoiler. You can say, I won't give you any spoilers, but the ending is very surprising.
Another way to describe a movie is by talking about the cast. The cast is the group of actors in the movie.
You can ask, who is in it? Or who stars in this movie?
And then you can talk about the performance. The lead actor was amazing, or the acting was very realistic.
What if the movie is based on a book, Emma?
Then you can say, it's an adaptation of a famous novel. Many people like to argue about whether the book or the movie was better.
In my experience, the book is usually better, but the movie has better snacks.
So true. Let's practice a phrase for our listeners. Based on a true story. Many people love those kinds of movies.
Okay, so we've talked about the genre and the plot. Now, how do we say if we liked it or not?
If you loved it, you can say, it was a masterpiece, or it was mind-blowing.
Mind-blowing. That means it was so good or so surprising that your brain feels like it exploded.
Exactly. If it was just okay, you can say, it was worth watching, but not great.
And if you hated it?
You could say, it was a waste of time, or it was too slow for me.
Now, if I want you to watch a movie, I will recommend it. I'll say, you should definitely watch it, or it's a must-see.
Must see. That's a very common term in movie reviews. Let's try another one. I highly recommend it.
Let's practice that slowly. I highly recommend it.
Mark, let's do a quick role play. You just saw a new movie and I'm asking you about it.
Okay.
Hey Mark, I heard you went to the cinema last night. What did you see?
I saw a new sci-fi movie called Galaxy Quest.
Oh, what's it about?
It's about a group of astronauts who get lost in a different dimension. It's very suspenseful.
Who stars in it?
It stars that famous actor Tom Hanks. His performance was incredible.
Is it worth watching?
Absolutely. It's a must-see. The visual effects were mind-blowing.
See? Talking about movies is just like telling a story to a friend.
It really is. And it's such a great way to connect with people from different cultures. Everyone loves a good story.
We hope this episode helps you feel more confident the next time your friends ask, have you seen any good movies lately?
Before we go, we have a very important question for you in the comments.
Yes. If you could live inside one movie world, which movie would it be and why?
Oh, that's a tough one. I'd choose Star Wars. I want a lightsaber.
I choose Mary Poppins. I want to fly with an umbrella.
We can't wait to read your answers in the comments. And remember, if you haven't yet, please subscribe, like, and share.
Your support allows us to keep making these long, slow English lessons for the world.
Thank you for spending these 20 minutes with us. You are doing a great job with your English.
Keep watching, keep practicing, and we will see you in the next episode.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, everyone.